How to grow garlic indoors and care for it. 1. Select bulbs. Choose firm, healthy garlic bulbs suited for indoor growing. 2. Prepare containers. Use deep pots with drainage holes and fill with well-draining soil or compost. 3. Plant cloves. Break bulbs into cloves. Plant pointed end up, 1 to 2 inches deep, 4 to 6 inches apart. 4. Provide sunlight. Place in a sunny spot with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily, maintaining consistent temperature. 5. Water and fertilize. Keep soil moist. Fertilize every 2 to 3 weeks with balanced fertilizer. 6. Mulch and weed. Apply organic mulch to retain moisture. Remove weeds regularly. 7. Monitor growth. Watch for green shoots, pests, and diseases, addressing issues promptly. 8. Harvest. Harvest when foliage yellows. Cure bulbs for 2 to 3 weeks, then store in a cool, dry place. By following these steps, you can easily grow garlic indoors and enjoy fresh, flavorful bulbs year-round. See less.